Which of the following is the fusion reaction? If you look at the options there, option A, 1H1 plus 1H1, 1H2 plus 1H2 giving you 2He4. This is option A. B is neutron 0N1 plus 7 nitrogen 14 giving 6C14 plus proton. C, as we know, plus 92 uranium 238 giving you 93 Np 239 plus beta minus particle plus positron or neutrino particle. So this is a clear example of beta minus decay, where there are no two particles. This is an atom. See, these are elements fusing to give a higher element so that they release some energy also. Here a particle interacts with the element, forming a new element of course, but also giving you beta minus particle, which is called beta minus decay, minus beta decay. Here also this is just converting from one element to the other, not the complete fusion taking place. So A seems to be the answer, but we will also check option D, that is 1H3 giving 2He3 plus beta minus particle and neutrino. So this is also a clear example of beta minus decay where radioactivity is taking place. It emits beta minus particle so that the formed helium isotope is not stable. So here if you look at it, the formed helium isotope is stable, and if you see, their mass numbers have clearly added, their atomic numbers have been clearly added. So this particle is a stable one. This is a clear case of nuclear fusion. Hence option A is the correct answer.